Hi, everybody. This is Gary Dean, and this is our nightly video report for Tuesday, September 13th, 2016. So they took it away, they gave some back, and then they took it away again. It just really is kind of fitting with my, what I've been saying for a pretty long time, where, this market, it's all in or all out. And what's happening with this is that long-term trades are going to start turning into, into days, and that's it. And here's like a prime example. So this is going back all the way into June when we had the Brexit. From this is June 27th, and within 2 weeks, we are up here, and then we did nothing for 2 months. So if you held on to things here, then what happens is you sat there and now you're underwater again. So it's like I said, it's all in or all out. We have never seen consolidation. That's why I was pretty confident that the next move is going to be to the downside, and that's what happened. And what we really want to find out now is where to start looking for things. You don't want to get overly bearish. We were expecting a big move to the downside. It could end anywhere in this area here. Me preferable, I'd like to see it down at the 2092 area, or possibly even down here. Now, I'd said that we needed a new low to be able to create a bullish divergence, and we never made the low, so it's we don't have any divergences in play right now. And if we just look at the daily, again, this is just starting to tilt down right now. So I think things are very, very not safe right now. And, I would really love to see some of these gaps get filled, because if they do come down here, remember, I'm not a long-time bear. I've been really just waiting for the big move down. And then from there, once everybody gets really, really bearish on this market, I'm going to start looking to the long side. So we have a moving average that's down at this. I'm trying to see where it is, 2057. So this is a good shot that we're going to come here and then possibly even come down and close the gap. This is where I'd be really, really interested in buying. Like I said, there's plenty of room to go on the technical front. We had the bearish divergence. We had a double set of bearish divergences. So it would make sense to have some kind of retracement to come all the way down to these levels here. Now, again, the actual pattern is actually looking for a move to go much lower than that, and that would be to the bottom of this trend line here, which is, because it's heading down, is all the way down at the 1900. But right now, I don't really want to pay that much attention to it and focus on this, because it's just, like I said, that a long-term trade nowadays is a day or two. So to sit there and hold your positions for something down here, that's just silly, because we saw what happened yesterday with the 30-point bounce. But in any case, you can see that there's buying that's coming in at this support level here. Now, if we see a break of this, say the 2100, I think this goes very, very fast, and it could be in like a magnet type shot down to the 2075 level. And like I said, it could be, once we start breaking it and it's used as resistance, you're going to see people just start jumping out at once. And like I said, a move down to somewhere into these levels here would make more sense. But like I said, we've had some pretty big selling days the past couple days. So this rally right here that pretty much went straight up made it to the 62% retracement. If this was just your wave 2, then we are starting a wave 3 down, and we're going to be down at these levels in a very, very fast manner. Now, what also could be is that this is an A, this is a B, and now we're going to make a wave C, and that would most likely bring us down someplace into this area here. Now, being we didn't make a new low, it also could be that this is an A, B, and now we're going to make a wave C up. I don't think that is the right pattern, but we have to just leave it on the table because we didn't take out the lows. So it could be just a very flat, a bear flag, or or an ABC move that ends up taking us back up here before collapsing. But like I said, I don't think that's it. I think what's a better count, and this would be probably the more bullish, the more bullish of the two would be that this is your wave A, this is our wave B, and now we're making a wave C down. That's going to end someplace in this area here. If it gets bear ugly, then this was our 1, this was our 2, and now we're going to start a wave 3 and come all the way down into these levels here before even finding any kind of support. So right now, like I said, I don't think I'd be going crazy with any new shorts. We've had, the market's been beaten up twice in the last 3 days, even though we had a big rally yesterday. I think you want to manage your positions, and if we start taking out support levels, then, you may be able to just throw some on and have a stop somewhere around this area. But it's, when we start breaking those green line supports, that's when I think panic hits. We haven't broken them yet, so we still have to leave the door open that this was our A, this is our B, and now we're going to make a wave C. Once these lows are taken out, then it opens, makes this pattern where this is an A, B, and then we're going to come down here for the C, which is what I prefer to happen. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.